Good evening, everybody. Milsurp lovers. Have something special tonight to unbox. It's my second CMP 1911 A1 round 4. My number was generated on October 10th, 2023, and that was number 45606. This was packed for shipping in February of this year, and I'm finally doing this video. It's taken a while, so sorry for that, but nonetheless, I'm really happy with this. It's a rack grade, and the reason why I chose a rack is because I wanted something that wasn't re-arsenaled. I wanted something as close to original as possible. And to my delight, this is a Remington Rand matching frame and slide, made in Syracuse, New York. So I am very happy with this. Serial number 1987147. And I don't see any re-arsenaling stamps on here. I might be wrong. My first was a rack grade as well, with a really nice patina. It was a Colt frame, I believe, in a Remington slide, so non-matching. So I'm just really happy it's matching, which is really special. That was a big surprise. So here's the tag. Rack grade slide Remington, frame Remington. There's a serial number. So the clip, unfortunately, is non-matching. It looks like it's remanufactured. So, but that's okay. I'm still happy with it. So add this to the collection. Yeah, there you have it. I haven't taken it apart yet. I need to do that to see if everything else is matching. I'll get around to that in another video. But that's pretty much it, folks. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate your support. Have a good night.